Hi, so today we will take a look at what are the things we can teach a 2 to 3 year old child. Since most of us are not able to send our children to the preschool because of the pandemic, at least some of us are clueless about what are the things we should teach our children and how to get them prepared before they start regular schooling. So, in this video, we are going to concentrate on children aged between 2 and 3 years and what are the things you can teach them. So, let's get started. First, we're going to talk about opposites. So you can teach them simple opposites like hot, cold, rough, smooth, tall, short, and others. The second one we're going to talk about is shapes. So you can talk to them about all sorts of shapes like circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, semicircle, and you can also do shapes related activities. The third one we're going to talk about is seasons. So you can talk to them about all seasons like summer, rainy, winter, autumn. So whenever it rains, you can ask the child what day it is it a rainy day, and things like that. You could talk to them about directions, up and down, left and right, forward and backward. So the next one is you can teach them parts of the body. So if they know the basic body parts like hands, legs, parts of the face, you can deep dive a bit more and teach them ankle, elbows, knees. Next one is you can teach the child about itself. So you can teach the child its name, its parents' name, where does he or she stay, like the city, the country, and some basic things about sing songs. You could cover as much as animals, birds, vehicles, alphabets, and numbers. Even though your child at the moment would not be able to recognize all of the numbers and letters, he or she would be able to at least name a few. So, these are the things you can teach a 2 to 3 year old. It's more about improving their memory and teaching them what's around them. Now, we will talk about developing certain skills like eating food by themselves. So you can teach them to self feed and make them independent by the age of 2. Another important thing is to keep them involved in all the tasks that you do. For example, you can ask them to peel the skin of an onion or garlic, or you can give them a curry leaf and ask them to pick out the leaves for you when you're cooking. So, all of these are small things, but it also helps them to improve their hand coordination. Obviously, a 2 to 3 year old child needs to play a lot and enjoy itself. So, encourage as much play as possible with a little bit of study. And another important activity that this age group loves is coloring. So, they are curious about colors and coloring. So, these are some of the activities for the 2 to 3 year old age group. And I hope you liked all the points given here, and do let us know in the comments. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks a lot.